Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use add-ons in Google Docs in 2026. So, head to docs.google.com and log into your Google account. What are add-ons? Add-ons are extra tools that you can install to extend the features of Google Docs. They can help with things like productivity, formatting, tables, citations, integrations, and many more. Think of them as apps that work directly inside your document. To start, let's open any Google Docs file or start a blank document. At the top menu, look for the Extensions tab right here. Then click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find the add-on that you need. Let's say, for example, we would like a translator. So from the results, choose the app that you want to download. I would like to use this translator AI GPT. Click Install, and Google will ask you to review and allow permissions. Click Allow to process the installation. So once the installation is done, the add-on will be available in your Google Docs. So inside the Google Doc, go back to the Extensions tab again and choose the add-on that you install. So some add-ons will open a sidebar, while others add options to the menu. For example, my Translator AI open the sidebar. From here, I can highlight some text on my Google Docs, then translate it to any language that I want. This makes your work faster and adds features that Google Docs doesn't have by default. So if you want to manage your add-ons, click on Extensions again, then Add-ons, then select Manage Add-ons. So from here, you can update an add-on, remove it, or get support and help information. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.